All right. So problem number 7 says the reaction in number 6 was carried out and only 27.6 grams, only 27.6 grams were actually formed. Using your answer from number 6, what was the percent yield of KCl? So here's our percent yield equation. Actual yield divided by theoretical times 100. So we need to identify our actual yield and our theoretical yield. That's the first step. All right, what it says right here, reaction number 6 was carried out and only that much was actually formed. So this is how much was actually formed when we did the reaction. So that means 27.6 is our actual yield. Using your answer from number 6, what was the percent yield? So this is our answer from number 6. How do we get the answer from number 6? Well, did we actually go in the lab and do it, or did we calculate it? And we calculated it. So remember, whatever is calculated is your theoretical yield. So I'm going to do it for both. I'm going to go with the 29.6 first. Once we have our actual yield and theoretical yield identified, it's that actual divided by theoretical times 100. And in this case, I'm going to go ahead and just round to a whole number. 27.6 divided by 29.6 times 100. We're going to round to a whole number. That is 93%. If I did it the other way, so actual yield, theoretical yield, the actual yield does not change because this is what was actually formed. So that is our actual yield. Theoretical yield, if we did it for the other one, so 29.03 times 100, 27.6 divided by 29.03 times 100. This one is 96%. Okay, so like I said, rounding does kind of have some issues of its own, all right? But either way that you did this, the answer would still be correct on the test. So as long as your math backs up, like what you're doing, then your answer's fine. So that was question number 7.